Hello guys, today in this video I'm going to show you the shortcuts of the keyboard, especially this key with a combination of these letters here. So today we are learning about control and these letters here. So let us get started. Once you click control and Z, you click like this, control Z, it means you are undoing the work that you have done. Control A, it means you are highlighting all the work that you have done. Control S, it means you are saving the work. Control X, it means you are cutting the work. Control C is for copy. Control V is for pasting. Control P, Control P, this one here. Once you click on Control and P, it means you are going to print. It's a shortcut for printing. Then Control N, it means you are opening a new program or a new file. Control B is for bold. Control I is for making the work italic. So you can go ahead and illustrate in a comment section what you got from control and any letter here. What does it mean? Don't mix anything here, just control and this other one. You can come up with your own in a comment section.